If rain starts during an outdoor HVAC repair, stop non-essential work and prioritize safety and keeping parts dry. Assess the situation immediately and move any exposed electrical components and sensitive parts under cover or into the service vehicle. Use a durable work umbrella or a portable pop-up shelter to create a dry workspace for the technician and the unit controls. Focus on completing only the critical steps that require immediate attention, such as securing loose connections or diagnosing an urgent electrical fault, while keeping replacement parts and open boxes sealed in dry bags. Avoid prolonged exposure of refrigerant service ports and control boards to moisture by temporarily capping lines and covering circuit boards with a breathable moisture barrier until you can complete the task properly. Keep tools organized on a waterproof tray and wipe components with a clean, dry cloth before reconnecting to prevent water-induced shorts. If conditions worsen, shut down power to the unit following lockout, tagout procedures, and schedule a return visit when weather and visibility are safe. Common mistakes include continuing work in heavy rain, which risks electric shock and component damage, so stop and shelter the work area or power down the unit when water is present. Another issue is leaving tools and exposed parts wet, which leads to corrosion and diagnostic errors. So immediately dry and stow tools in waterproof containers and replace soaked consumables before reuse. A third mistake is rushing critical electrical or refrigerant tasks to beat the weather, which can create leaks or improper connections. So only perform essential temporary measures and plan a controlled return visit to finish the job correctly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find steady work by listing jobs and service offerings that match local needs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and technicians can share field service tips and ask questions about weather-related procedures.